Welcome back to another episode of Lakers Outdoor Adventures. This week we're going to be reviewing the Ecoxgear. Now the Ecoxgear is a Bluetooth speaker. I just found out about them about a month ago and they sent me this one here. Now they have different types of Bluetooth speakers. This one is a carbon. It comes in camouflage, orange or black mesh for the screen on the front. Like I said, it is Bluetooth, but you can also plug an auxiliary cord into it. It can be used to charge your phone, work as a flashlight, and it's waterproof. So just going over it quickly, you have a few different features. I will show you up close. You have a flashlight, could come in handy. Receive phone calls and you use this as a Bluetooth speaker for talking. So if I'm in the kitchen and my hands are full, I can simply take the phone call through the Bluetooth speaker. On top it has the ability to change the song, adjust the volume, and the power on and off button. On the back, there is another grill. Behind here would be the subwoofer. There's a built-in handle on the side. And like I said, it is waterproof and it will float. So if it happens to fall in the lake, snowbank, I've left this in the snow for about 4 or 5 hours one night. I forgot to bring it in off my car. And it still worked fine and it still held a charge. Obviously, I'm going to turn it on and show you how it works, but the microphone on my camera isn't going to justify the quality of sound that comes out of it. So to connect it, once you do the initial setup, so you hold the Bluetooth button, go on your phone and connect to Bluetooth. You're simply just going to hold the power button, wait for it to turn on, and it'll let you know.
Bluetooth connected.
That's it, ready to go. So you can go ahead and make phone calls. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. And you can call right from your Bluetooth speaker.
Hello?
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing. Just woke up.
Okay, actually give me 1 second, I'll call you right back. That's it, it works as a phone call if we want it to. Simply select the song on your phone and let it play. So like I said, it has really good sound output. If you go ahead and open the back flap here, there's a USB out port so you can charge your phone while you listen to your music. Because I know one of the biggest things that I hate when you want to play your music over your speaker but you don't want your phone to do that at the same time. This solves that problem. So just some quick specs. The speaker weighs 1.9 pounds. It is 9.1 inches long. Like I said, Ecoxgear has several different types of speakers. Lots of other products that might be useful to you. Thanks for watching this week's review. Be sure to get outdoors. We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Accutac, where design and ingenuity come together. Ecoxgear, play it loud. Manish, check them out on Instagram.